Hello, stuff from subscib, and
Today we're going to be doing Photoshop battles. Let's get on with it. Let's get on with it. We already have much schedules and things we have to do.
Okay, well, yeah, as Jack said, let's do some Photoshop battles. So, Jack is going to share his screen of the subreddit Photoshop battles, obviously.
And we have Toby as a first the first video. That was the first picture we're going to be editing. I'm joking.
I have my pointy stick for no reason.
That's what you put to bed last night.
God's sake.
This kid doing
I know what to do with that.
this one.
No.
This one.
What are you doing? Yeah.
The kid doing the strut.
Do you know what to do with that?
It's floating off. Yeah. I'll think of something.
I have an idea for this. Wait, let's go. Okay, so send it me.
Okay. Round one, begin.
Yes. I'll obviously put some really cool font when you said that.
Round one, begin.
Okay. So we have this child. We have child. Okay, right, I'm done.
Right.
I'd say I'm done.
I'll go first because because I'm awesome.
Okay.
And also because I have more subscribers than you.
Wow. No,
Right.
you don't anymore.
This is my idea.
What?
Look at the background.
Yours was sort of... You had a similar idea to mine.
I was originally gonna have him holding a balloon, but I couldn't
Yeah.
find perfect balloons, so
Alright.
I held a bow. That's not a good.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Alright, tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready. Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, so this is mine.
We both did
You had the same
We
idea.
both had the same idea. What the hell? That's gonna be so difficult when you put the ideas on the screen.
No, not really.
Alright. I'll reshare my screen.
Okay.
Right,
Okay.
hello everybody.
Let's
I'm back
find a
again.
new...
Today's sponsor is Toby's Death.
Great.
Replication of records.
Go on, let's... Oh, Jesus, I need to close that. Okay, right, let's look at ideas. Oh, what the hell?
I'm not doing that. No, I'm not gonna get cancelled. Right.
I know.
An owl perched on a... Who comes up with these
shower.
ideas? This is boring as hell.
Oh, a shower.
And stuff is sit on the chair. Man, perfect idea.
Alright, I'll think of something.
Right, I'll think of something. Ladies and gentlemen, have a look at my beautiful idea. So, as you can see, this is what I made.
What is that?
Five down students. Like, that's what I was looking for. I was gonna come back and find one. I put that one in.
That's actually not that bad at all.
Guys, actually listening to me from Elvis.
Fair enough.
Just as me listening to my Elvis Christmas tunes, I did my tracks cut out.
Alright, you ready? Oh. Save it then. Jesus. Okay. I'll just have my presentation ready. Right, you ready? I sort of do, but it doesn't matter. There we go. Do you have an idea? Okay, keep going. Do you have an idea? You have an idea for that? Just tell me if you have an idea for any. I have an idea for that. I have an idea for that. I'm seriously gonna put no effort into this whatsoever. Seriously, it'll be like 3 seconds. Okay, sure. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching. Well, Jack said it all. Goodbye, guys! Great. Ah, goodbye! Goodbye.